Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to build a simple cotton candy maker at home. First, gather your essential components. You'll need a small, high-speed motor, a clean tin can, and a reliable power source. Also, prepare a heating element, such as a nichrome wire, and a sturdy base to assemble everything securely. This project requires careful attention to detail for safety and functionality. Next, let's focus on the spinner head. Carefully attach the tin can to the motor's shaft, ensuring it's centered and secure. Then, drill several small holes, about 1/16 of an inch in diameter, around the can's perimeter. These holes are crucial for the cotton candy strands to emerge. Test the motor to confirm the can spins smoothly without wobbling. Now, it's time to integrate the heating element. Carefully position your nichrome wire so it encircles the spinning can, but does not touch it. Connect the wire to a separate power supply, ideally with an on/off switch for safety. This wire will heat the sugar, turning it into liquid. Ensure all electrical connections are secure and insulated properly. Finally, it's time to make some delicious cotton candy. Turn on the motor and the heating element. Once the nichrome wire is hot, carefully pour granulated sugar into the spinning can. As the sugar melts and is flung out, it will cool into fine, fluffy strands. Collect these sweet threads with a paper cone or stick. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.